You are watching a master at work.
The city down there. Top of the morning. We want to go get this money. You know what I'm saying? We both going to Raleigh today. We're going to follow each other, vlog a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Put y'all up on game, man. I show y'all the route. Trying to tell y'all, local box trucking. Tap in, $3,000 a week. I'll give y'all the sauce. Alright, loaded. Right there, Charlotte to Raleigh. $2.65 a mile. Show y'all a little something on the check. My boy getting loaded. Today gonna be like a $600 day for me. I did a Amazon route earlier from Charlotte to Lexington, North Carolina. I should have vlogged it, but I ain't had time. You said what? You gonna show him what, man? What you gonna show him?
You ain't showing the work swag, man.
Man, it ain't nothing, man. It's like the Amazon, you know, Amazon bag.
Yeah, you ain't showing your shit,
Man, we out here getting this money, though.
Yeah.
Cash checks, man. Cash checks. But yeah, we're gonna show y'all how to make $3,000 a week in this box truck locally, you know what I'm saying? Y'all tap in. Y'all gonna see my boy DC more often.
You know.
Dante. We got a whole truck group, man. We're gonna show y'all how we do this. Straight out of the Berry to Charlotte. You know what I'm saying?
Straight out of the bed.
Right.
I ever heard one and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
So we finally made it up here to the construction site. We're dropping off the duct work. We're just trying to find the people to drop it off so we can unload, so they can unload. Man, there's so much stuff be going on in construction sites, man. God almighty. Everybody everywhere. You know what I'm saying? You might can see them back there. They're on the little guard. But you got people above me. You got to see them. There's so much shit going on, man. I got up out of there, headed to the crib. That was it. Little local load, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? A little Charlotte around. Something slight, not too bad. Like I said, it was like $2.05 a mile. You know what I'm saying? 161 miles. So you know, y'all can do the math. About 483 one way. You know what I'm saying? So good little piece of change. But like I said, I'm gonna keep y'all posted. You know what I'm saying? Keep giving y'all updates and videos of different loads and what they paying. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tap in with me, man. Like, subscribe, share, and tap in with your boy. More videos to come.